This is a video just me trying to show you guys how to use the signal service. Sorry, I need to mute this. I was enjoying one lovely Indian movie. Okay, first and foremost, I think I should get to show you guys this. I want to show you, okay, maybe I'll just show you the trades first. Yeah, let me show you the trades first. Okay, this is the last trade I just did. I was doing 3 trades. I needed to do just 30%, so I've done 3 trades, and I just want to recap on it. Now, this trade is with 12.4%. Now, I am using 4 minutes instead of 5 minutes. Please, if you're trading with my signal service, ensure you use 5 minutes, and your monitoring time should be 2 minutes. You must exit 2 minutes. If you're trading pull through, cut your losses, monitor for 1 minute 30 seconds, and 30 seconds, the remaining 30 seconds, you use that to exit. Now, I deposited $60. Okay, let me show you the deposit, right? That will be in statements. I plan to do some growing with this account. I'm supposed to do 10 days challenge with it. It's purely just doing no compounding, no nothing. You can see the deposit, right? Deposit is $60. See the date here, and you see the time. This was deposited on the 13th. Today is 14th. So I know I'm going to be distracted during the day, so I just said let me quickly do the trade and have the recording. Now this is $60 I deposited, so I'm trading with $50, and these are the trades I've done. Now you'll see them better on the profits table. Now, I want to show you the results so that you get to see. Do I also lose? Yes, of course I do. But I need you to understand that you need to do more of the right trades, and you'll be able to have good results. You definitely lose, but you are going to learn to minimize your losses and maximize your profits. So these are the trades. Let me move this timer up here. Now, these are the trades right here, right? You can look at the time, look at the date, and you can look at the time. The first trade I took at 1:35. The second one, that's a signal there. Can I do 50? Okay, let me see. Am I on 50? I don't even 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. I'm actually on 50. Okay, just one trade. I'm not supposed to do that 50 trade anyway. That was the last trade I just did now. I'm not supposed to do it. I'm not supposed to do it. I am not supposed to do it. Okay, I'm going to pause. It may take a while, so I'm going to pause and wait for it. Okay, so as I was recording, you saw the signal dropped, and I just took the trade. Now, the trade, it took less than, this trade took less than, how many minutes? Less than a few seconds. It has pulled through. That is with the signal. I just did the trade with the signal. So I just made 12.5%. So trading 50. Now, based on what I've been telling you guys, I now need to let you understand so that you see why keeping of your record is very important. Very, very important. I'm going to show you this before I get back to what I was saying. Now, you can see how I took a trade from the signal. When the signal showed up, I took the trade. And you can see I have a timer because I am trading every 5 minutes. So that's why I have the timer. So now you can see that my profit is increasing. My money is increasing gradually. It's a gradual process. You don't need to rush it. A lot of times, most people don't get result because they are in a rush. If you will calm down, you will make the money gradually. So let me get back to showing you the profit table, right? So I took the trade. You can see I told you at every 5-minute interval, right? So now look at the first trade. You can see here 0.35. That's 135. Okay, that's 135. See the second 0.45. See the third 50. Now see the fourth 55. Now with that I have done 50%. 50% is just like $25. So I've already done 50% that way, because 6 times 4 is like 24. So this gives me like 25. So that's $25. I've made 50% with 4 trades. Now for those using my signal, it's strictly 5 minutes. You know the drill. 5 minutes, and 1 minute 30 seconds you monitor your trade. Now I need to show you as well so that you get to understand. It's not just about doing the trade. You have to have record. There is nothing I share with you that I don't practice. Why? I practice them before I even have them as book or as record. Now I just want you to see, these are the trades I did: 51x, 25x, 50, and another 50. You can see the time: 135, 145, 150, and see the time each of the trades spent: less than a minute. Look at the results. So for today, that's 50% done. Look at the date. Keep record of whatever you do. Don't just be in a hurry. Don't be in a hurry. You're rushing to nowhere. Even while you're trading, when you experience a loss, keep your cool. Now, I'll show you the trade that I said I wasn't supposed to trade, but I still traded it. I'll show you that trade, and you will be amazed. So the rules that you have been given to trade for 10% is for a specific reason. Follow the reason. Now, look at this. This is the trade I just took now, but I won it. But can you see that the trade had pulled back? Oh, you're not seeing this clearly. See, it has pulled back. Let me go to 5 minutes. On 1 minute, you see it better. Look at it. It has pulled back. Can you see it's on green? Yeah, it's on green, but I won it. Yeah, this trade is on green, but I won it. It's on green, but I won it. Now you need to understand, I had my own entry before it started turning green. So you need to understand, when you are given rules, follow the rules. When you don't follow the rules and you assume, you are going to be deceiving yourself. If you follow the rules, you trade as you're supposed to trade, you can grow gradually. You cannot be in negative, except you don't follow. Another signal may ring from anywhere. But you see, you need to understand, this is the rule. If you follow the rule, you can learn to grow. Now you can see this. I've grown $50 into $75. Yeah, that's what I've made. So I just showed you in this account, I'm trying to actually work this account towards having a basis of $1,000 so that I can be trading with it. But you see, it's not a rush. It is not to be done in a week. It is not to be done in 10 days. But every 10 days, I have a challenge. I have a target. Oh, you're wondering. I'll give you an idea. One more idea of the projection I'm looking, right? Look at 10 days challenge, right? See, this is where I'm going. $1,000 capital with the account. I've done the test run. Now I'm running a 10 days. The 10 days is with $100 capital. Or actually a 150. So I'm using $50. I'm starting here. For those that have lesser, they can start from 30. And they can use $15 daily. So meaning you're going to be expecting to make $15 every day. But your capital has to be 100. If your capital is 150, you can use 50 as stake. You make $25. I've just done this. Now I'm supposed to do this for 10 days. I'll get 250. So I have a projection I'm looking at. I have, it's for a 40 days. It's for a 40 days. It's for a 40 days. This is like 2 o'clock in the morning. Some people are already sleeping. But I've already made 10k with 20k. That's how it works. Slow, steady. Remember, don't rush it. Now, if you want to subscribe for my signal, you have to become a student. By November, my app should be ready. I'll be able to accept every general person into being able to receive the signal. You'll be able to subscribe from my app. But before then, if you want to subscribe, you have to become a student. And the only promo offer ongoing right now, maybe I will extend it with another month, but ongoing right now is 40,000 naira. You learn how to generate the signal yourself, and you also learn. You learn how you also be receiving signal for a whole month. Now the signal will be activated only when you have finished your test trade, your test period, whereby you are learning how to do the proper trading. So guys, it works fine. Hey, do not go and over trade. Me, I like enjoying myself. See, I'm watching India and I'm trading. So you need to understand, I'm watching an Indian movie and I'm trading. Yeah, that's how easy the signal service has made my training. All my laptop are short. None of them is open. Oh, you're wondering. They are not open. See, it's not lie. See, no opening. They are all shut down. All the laptops. They are all down. But I get the signal. When I get the signal, I trade. It makes life so easy. I don't have to calculate anything. I've done all those calculations. Months and months and months have gone into it. So guys, does it work? Decide yourself. God bless you. See you in another video.